Alright folks, Ryan here with Thistle Hill Farms, and this is just a quick compilation of our harvest vids from 2022. Hope you enjoy.
Just harvested a whole row of our French breakfast radish. I'll wash them and top them, get them all bagged and nice, and we just had them right beside our patty pans and zucchini. Alrighty, don't know if you see that, but that's a deer track. There's another one there, another one there. So we had a deer through here, unfortunately. Apparently he was up in our area, but I don't see anything damaged. But we'll definitely have to take a peek at the electric fence and make sure everything's all good, so they don't continue to come back here and think this is a nice place to eat, because it is, but not for them. Not for them. Kay and Dad are each taking out a beet row. I just took out the radish, and now I'm going to work on the broccolini and sprouting cauliflower. They're both tiny.
Well, what is it, September 10th?
Yeah.
Maybe we're too early.
I think we are. But I'm having some for dinner, and that's enough for some mashed potato to give it some flavor.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I got some celery at the top here. So I'm happy. Now I'm going to harvest arugula.
Nice.
Let's go.
Alright, so I'm just lightly hoeing this bed, like an inch or two down. And I just want to show you. Like, I've got worms everywhere in here. There's life. Oh! I know I keep banging on about it, dude, but this is something cool. Basil. Oh, sorry, basil. Look at the worms. Get out of there, buddy. So this is a great example. So basically all the leaves, maybe the top one still has a bit of green on it. So that means that every layer of paper around here but one has been really dried and cured. So you can see that this thing's gonna split, right? Like, that's not gonna make good storage garlic. That'll make good eating garlic, and in fact, we could probably dry that for a couple of weeks and pop it back in the ground. But that's what happens when you don't harvest your garlic, when half of your leaves are still green. You'll get the split ones that won't store very well. All right, harvesting some carrots. Check this guy out. Look at this dude. I think he's going 3 directions into the ground. We'll see if I can ease this feller out of there. There's another one coming out back from here too. Yeah, well, we'll see what it looks like. All right. So it looks like he goes down here a ways. Oh, not too bad, I guess. I'm gonna ease this one out. I mean, it looks pretty darn cool to me. These heirloom colored carrots are just insane. These colored carrots are insane. They just go everywhere. What size is that thing? Yeah, that's a carrot. Crazy. All right. Moment of truth. I think I got this thing loosened up enough. Whoa, there's 4. Look at this thing. All right. Here's where we cured our garlic this year. I had these strung all over. And even back right behind the old storage area. But nah, they seem to do fine. Had large pieces of silage tarp hung over top, and they're looking absolutely wonderful. Look at the size of some of these cloves. They're absolutely insane. Whoop, whoop. Garlic planting day. Look at the size of these. We're just keeping the biggest ones. I can't even believe the size of the ones that I'm putting back. Look at some of these. That's 1 clove. That is just crazy. What is that going to produce? Oh, I can't wait to see till next year. Woohoo!
What you making, Kay? A little sandwich. No work, Sammy.
No work, Sammy. Nothing like the toaster at the farm.
A little fresh spinach, a little fresh basil. We got the toast from Sobeys today. Some nice luncheon meat. And we harvested some cabbage. How was your sandwich?
Delicious.
10 out of 10?
10 out of 10.
And look, right next to our chickens. That's
Next time it'll be a chicken sandwich.
All right, so what we're doing here is we're harvesting an entire bed of broccolini. So we're pulling them out of the field, and then somebody's harvesting those off the plants, and then somebody's taking those plants over to the chickens or the compost area. We go through, we do a hand weed of any of the annual perennials that blew in throughout the course of the year, and then we broad fork it. Get a little air in there, and I guess just put some manure on it, about 10 wheelbarrows, and then we rake that out and call it good for winter. All right, so there were 16 Sarpomeras planted in here. All about this big, maybe even a little bit smaller. So, let's see what we get out of this. There's one of the old seed potatoes, just to show you that they were not very large spuds when they went in. Whoop whoop. Oh, there we go. A couple of big bins. There's got to be 140 pounds of spuds here, and I found one little potato berry. So I might give those a try next year and see what kind of a weird bunch of spuds they give me. All right, this is our 4th or 5th frost of the year. This one was probably -4 or 5. So this one was a decent one, but literally everything we have will wake up as soon as that sun hits it, and the sun's not quite above the trees yet, and it's already 9:30. So yeah, we're definitely losing light. It's funny because the sun's there, and in the summer it rises over there. It's just crazy how much light we lose. But yeah, everything here should be fine, I would imagine. I'm curious about this broccolini, but broccoli itself is very cold resistant, so we shall see. But we have we got a huge harvest today for our veggie boxes and for a market and for deliveries, so I'll shut up and get harvesting. Here we go. This one's good coming or going. And this one here looks a little bit like a horny triffid. Remember Day of the Triffids? Woohoo! And this one here is total crying game stuff. Let's get a little better.
Scoot, scoot, skeet, skeet.
Harvest day. What's that, Ross?
Parsley root.
Parsley root. The greens are, well, look at them. That's parsley. And then the root, obviously, tastes of that as well. We've had some nibbles of it raw, and it's delish. But we're going to have to do a little research and do some cooking with this to give you the full review. 17th of October. That is absolutely unbelievable. This is rarely seen in these here parts. And all y'all still got to come out of the ground. Piece of wood that 3 carrots figured they'd grow through. Ha! Pretty cool. Yeah.
Nature, yo. Ooh.
Nature. All right, this is the very tail end of the girls doing 30 beds, and there's 10 wheelbarrows per bed. So 300 wheelbarrows. Hardest working people I know.
Don't. I'm sad. Oh, lots of sprouts and snow.
All right, big smiles. Same time. Yeah, can I help you?
That walk, you just walked right up there, just turn around. Can I help you?
Do you know the secrets of video making?
Walk around randomly. Put it in your daughter's face. Yeah,
It's different angles.
The
The secret is the angle.
Okay, go ahead.
What you doing?
I'm about to shove this up my dad's butt.
Okay, let's not.
I think we should redo this whole thing.
Yeah.
To be honest with you.
Okay.